to Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Mario Takes a Walk by Jesse Cook. We're going to be doing the first guitar solo today. When I learned this song a long time ago by ear, I couldn't tell if he was doing it right here, or right here, or right here. And then I realized that you could do this riff across the entire fretboard and get different tones out of the different strings. And so I did a video on it not too long ago. The same riff, like everywhere, completely different from the piano. All right, so you put your pointing finger on the second fret of the D string, and you do a quick little triplet thing where it goes, so it goes down, up, down, but you go as fast as you can, like that. And then the rest of the time, he's doing like a swing kind of ka-ka, 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 and he's going up, down. So it goes. And then eventually it goes into triplets and goes triplet, 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 triplet. And then he does this monstrous, really fast, crazy run. So he goes up the minor scale like this. He goes. Same thing on the G string. And then go to here. Back down. And then the same shape on the D string. So this is what you got so far. And then you start from right here. So you hit this note twice. Do the same thing on the G string. And then you're going to go like this. The same thing on the bottom E string. And then you're going to slide up to this note. So that whole run goes. And then go down. So that whole run sounds like this. And then do the same thing you did at the end of that long run, starting right here. And then slide again. And then you got right here. And he does eights this time. He goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes to here. Goes to here. When he's doing this, he's palm muting. And then goes to here. Does a bend. And then here. And that's just a half bend. It's a very tough picking song. I can't even play it to speed. This particular way I found is the easiest because you got triplets on each string. And then the same string you got 3 more. And then another 3 on this string. So you're not just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or something weird. You got a lot of triplets. And anytime you do this triplet, or when you're starting on the beat, your pick is going to be going on a downstroke. So it goes 2, down, 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 down. Anyways, hey, good luck, son. Good luck.